you're searching how to buy shares of Netwealth Group Limited. Netwealth is an Australian wealth management fintech listed on CBOE US as NWL.ASX, and this video is educational only. You need a broker to buy this stock, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NWL.ASX to locate the correct listing. Make sure the result shows Netwealth Group Limited before opening the page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it's the correct stock. Check the issuer name, Netwealth Group Limited, and the ticker NWL.ASX before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform.